Good morning. We are looking toward the interchange between I-94 and University this morning, and all is looking pretty quiet right now for us here in Fargo. It's just plain cold out there again. Of course, we mentioned at the top of the hour or the top of the show that we had some record-setting cold temperatures for highs yesterday. Today we'll climb out of that, but it is quite cold. We're at 6 below in Fargo and 3 below in Grand Forks. Over to the east, even colder, into the teens below, 18 below in Park Rapids. It's 13 below in Wadena. Out to the west, a little milder, but still cold, 1 degree above in Oaks and in Jamestown. And of course, our wind chills, where our temperatures are as low as they are, they're going to be a little bit lower to the east, and we're at 31 below in Park Rapids, 24 below in Fargo, and 22 below in Grand Forks. We do have a wind chill advisory in effect until noon today. And on top of that, we'll have a winter weather advisory taking over because of the wind and blowing snow. And we do have some reduced visibility over by Jamestown. It's not too bad right now, but as we progress through the day, that wind will just continue to pick up and cause some blowing and drifting snow. A gust to 22 right now in Oaks and other places, seeing some winds out of the west and into the teens. And it's basically along the Red River and west where we'll have most of the problems with this. And that's where the winds are just a little bit stronger even now. So that's an area that there are already some trouble spots, but it will probably get worse in open country as we head through the day. So checking out your radar and satellite map, it's pretty quiet. We just have some clouds streaming through. No snow just yet, though. We do have some snow chances for your Monday. And eventually the snow does move in, and we'll see some unsettled weather here for the day. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. So by 9 o'clock, we're looking at temperatures that are trying to climb out of that sub-zero range. We'll see some of those snow showers start to pop up and move in. This is noon. Isolated at this point. Winds in Fargo gusting into the 20s to about 30 miles per hour. North and west from there, it might be even stronger. We're talking potential 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts within eastern North Dakota. And then over to the east, not as strong. Expect to have some snow, again, developing and sweeping through. And so especially in those areas where we're getting some snow falling, combined with that wind and blowing snow, we'll have some issues with visibility here as we head into the afternoon and evening hours today. Again, this is mainly an open country issue, not necessarily in town. Temperatures this afternoon will be into the single digits to about 10 degrees above zero today. So warming up by about 10 degrees for your high. It won't feel like it because of that wind. Now heading into this evening, some spotty areas of snow continue, but gradually that does wind down. We'll end up with some quieting weather. Winds will still be strong, though, overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So about 24 hours of this, essentially, of that blowing snow issue. Tomorrow morning, starting off below zero in most areas. And here's a look at our snowfall potential. Not a lot. We do have a chance for some snow everywhere, but more likely just a dusting of snow, and some of us may not see much at all. So heading back into the day tomorrow, by noon, we're looking at temperatures rising to where they will be today, and we'll continue to add to that into the afternoon hours. So some low to mid-teens, so about 5 degrees warmer tomorrow. So just little by little, we're inching things up here in the forecast in your planner for the week. For the afternoon hours, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, and heading into the night, still looking pretty quiet, and the wind will have eased up by that point too. Here's your photo today. Winter Barns in Gilby. Thank you, Teresa, for sharing that pretty winter photo. Even as we are in March here, we're still looking at winter pictures. And as we're looking at our 7-day planner, you can see we've got some hints at some hope toward the end of the 7-day. We'll be in the 20s Friday. Saturday and Sunday, watching out for a storm system that will also bring us some warmer temperatures, 20s to maybe even seeing 30 again on Saturday.
I'm very okay if we get a little snow, if that means we break above the freezing mark.
Right.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see. We'll keep our fingers crossed for Saturday.
Okay. Thanks, Lisa. Prom is just around the corner, and coming up, we'll have some tips on how to find that perfect prom dress.